Hello everyone, this is my Captain Jack. But I wanted to show you how to make a dreadlock and how I make them. And there's a couple of things you're going to need. And the first is what I use is a mouse pad. This is a pretty thick one that I got off of Amazon. And I'm using a white one so I can see what I'm doing in my living room. But typically I will put this on my knee or thigh and I will work on this. This protects my leg. So this is your traditional one with the fabric on here and the rubber backing. So what you're protecting yourself from is this tool. This is get this out of this holder, crochet hook, and it's very, very tiny and pointy. And you're going to be a human sewing machine, and you don't want to be hitting yourself in the leg or the fingers because that really hurts. I'm using a 1 millimeter. I guess it's also termed a US 12. Okay, so you need a crochet hook. You can get these holders, these rubber holders, on some of the larger sizes. They sell them separately. I haven't seen this size come with one of these rubber holders. So I bought a bigger size, threw that one away, got this guy, stick it in there, and that's more comfortable to use and less blisters and fatigue as you make your dreadlocks. Okay, so you got your tools there. You're going to need some scissors to trim any pieces of hair, a comb, a larger comb like this style, because you're going to do a little bit of back combing, not a whole lot, but it does help to have this size. Okay, now you're going to need hair, imitation hair. And what you're going to look for is Kanekalon. This is, it's an imitation hair, but I guess they have different kinds. And I don't think this is a brand. I think it's particular, I don't know, plastic or something like that. But it seems to be very realistic looking. So you're going to look for Kanekalon hair, okay? And there's going to be all different types of brands out there, but this will be a common thing to look for within that brand. Then what I've been using lately and what I found successful is you're going to look for, it's called kinky, okay? And kinky, or also called afro kinky, okay? Again, this is Kanekalon mixed with another type of imitation hair, but basically Kanekalon afro kinky. And it looks like this when you take it out of the package. Okay, it's got this curl, not curl, I don't know, maybe that's a curl. Anyway, it's got this kinkiness to it, and this is what you want to use. Now, if you've never dealt with imitation hair, what you're going to need to know is that hair color has numbers. Okay, this is a brown, a dark brown, and this is a number 4. This is a good Jack Sparrow color if you're doing the traditional wig, not the newer ones where he's more blonde. Okay, but say for the first 3 movies, you'd go with this. So you've got 4, and then you've got 2, which is darker, and then you'll get into 1 and 1B and things like that, and those are blacks. I would avoid the black colors because it doesn't look as real to me. So go with your dark colors, 4, and then you get into a 6, and 6 gets a little more reddish.